What's poppin', MK gang? It's your girl Kayla. So y'all, we about to be pranking Maine today. Y'all already know what it is. It is prank war time. It's banger after banger after banger after banger. So y'all, today I'm about to be putting something in his drink. Really, it's my drink. But you know, once he get in the car, he gonna be like, oh, you ain't get me no drink and nothing, da-da-da. He gonna try to drink my stuff. So you know what I'm about to do for him? I'm about to put some of this sour slime in it. And just to spice it up, some sauce. Yeah, y'all, I'm about to get him back from our salt prank. Well, really, these really his Gatorades, but he don't drink them, so I'm gonna act like it's mine. But yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and get him in this video. Let me go ahead and make this drink. And yeah, make sure y'all watch the full video. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all do everything. Alright, let's get in it. Alright, y'all. I can't see how you like Gatorade. I think Powerade tastes better than Gatorade. What y'all think? Yeah, I gotta take this ball out. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Wait. Alright, y'all. I'm back. Alright, y'all. I got it out. Ain't really that sour. But I'm going to go ahead and put a whole thing of this in it. Hold on. Dang. Y'all. If I was a hitman, why am I drinking it? Alright. And I feel like this not gonna really do nothing for real. So that's why I'm about to put. Yeah, I don't really taste nothing. Sorry, y'all. This actually tastes good. Alright. I'm about to put some salt in here. Spicing it up a little bit. I'm about to put some garlic salt. I'm about to put some garlic powder in here too. Nah. Nah, I ain't gonna put none because then he gonna smell it. Y'all, what else should I put in here? I don't know. I might put some honey in here. Yeah. Put a little bit more salt in here. Alright, y'all, so now I'm about to put it in the freezer so when he get in the car it's gonna look so nice and cold and delicious. Y'all see that salt? Y'all see that salt? Hey! Yeah, cause y'all, it's 11:42 and he get off at 2 o'clock, so it should be nice and like good and slush for him. Yeah, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and put this in the freezer. And y'all, make sure y'all watch the full video. Y'all, alright, y'all. So y'all gotta wait till 2 o'clock. So I'll see y'all later. Peace.
It's hot, I know that.
It is hot. I done drunk all my coffee. had to put this job in the freezer. Ooh, this job nice and cold, boy.
When you start drinking Gatorade?
When it started being in the closet.
It's so hot. Goodness. You cannot go past this. You won't.
Boy, I was straight up the car. Oh, you hot?
Stop. You keep playing. Keep playing with this. So you got this and that.
Yeah, I had this earlier today so I could stay up. And then I just got this out of the house before I left.
I know your stomach gonna be hurt. Boy, I had acid reflux. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's acid reflux or got doggone hot burn. What's the difference?
I really think it's the same thing.
Hot burn and acid reflux?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know which one I had, but I had one of them. And whatever one I had, it was burning me up, boy. For real. My throat was hot. Look at her hair. Bright pink. That's so hot. Let me get some food.
You gonna eat what's in the house?
Pizza.
Yeah.
But I got heartburn already.
Hey.
I need something else.
You gonna pay?
Yeah, I pay for mine.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I pay, man.
Man, no, we need to eat that stuff that's in the house. That's just spending unnecessary money.
I said I'm eating what's in the house.
No, we going straight to the house.
I just didn't want to eat that pizza right now.
You might as well eat it now so it can be already digested.
Yeah, my bad.
Look, they speeding. I know they see the thing on lights. You want something before I drink something? Because when I drink it, I'm gonna drink it all.
I don't even supposed to be drinking it. This is red too. I ain't gonna lie, this thing ain't cold. You gotta tap the bottle. Tap the bottle.
What?
It's Gatorade.
Bro, you spit on me! Bro, you got this stuff!
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, I thought the police was about to turn back around.
Bro, what the? Oh,
Bro, you got this stuff everywhere!
Bro, what you did?
That's Gatorade!
Nigga, this ain't no Gatorade. Nigga, that shit tastes like salt. That job tastes like straight salt, boy.
Salt good for you.
Boy, that shit just burned my stomach.
That was my get back. Yeah. Team Kayla, y'all. Team Kayla. You want some more? Yeah! You want some more? Hey, y'all, that was. Hey, but you gonna clean all that mess up because you spit everywhere.
Right?
Like you ain't had to do all that. Now you could have swallowed that.
Nah, nigga, you drink something.
I'm good.
You drank
I
something.
did drink something.
Nigga must be put the whole bottle, the whole thing of salt. You must be was like just pouring it in there.
No.
Nigga, this shit tastes like salt water. You don't taste no Gatorade, straight salt.
For real? after banger after banger after banger after banger. Y'all already know what it is. Team Kayla, Team Kayla.
Hey, I'm telling y'all, get back is real, boy. Get back is real. I'm sticky. I deserve some McDonald's, man.
Boy, we going straight to the house.
Give me a napkin.
You want McDonald's for real?
Something sticky now.
Alright, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all put in the comments Team Kayla. And y'all better have watch this full video. I ain't playing with y'all for real because I'm gonna bust a cap in that. Alright, y'all, so